Zhengzhou Kinda Electronic Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise, which, integrating R&D, production, and sales service together, the factory is located in Zhongyuan Printing Industrial Park, Pingyuan Demonstration Zone, Xinjiang City, Henan Province. Kinda was established in 2011. Since its establishment, Kinda has always accurately positioned customer needs. With professional technology, it provides customers with CNC cutting machines for all flexible materials. Now the main products are new digital cutting machine, advertising printing cutter machine, packaging cutter machine, gasket cutting machine, leather cutter machine, clothing textile fabrics cutter machine, car interior cutter machine, carpet floor mat cutter machine, and composites cutter machine. The core team of Kinda has nearly 20 years of experience in research and development and production of cutting products. From 2011 till now, it has always adhered to the tenet of quality first, user first, reputation first to serve customers, and is committed to mature technology, stable quality, reasonable price, and high-quality service create more value for customers. The company has a strong technical R&D and after-sales service team, which provides long-term and stable marketing and technical services for all Kinda's partners. At present, Kinda's customers have spread to more than 100 countries and regions in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, America, and Europe. To create wealth for customers and value for society, Kinda will continue to make unremitting efforts in the cutting equipment industry and pursue endless pursuit.
Welcome to Kinda.
Welcome to Kinda.
Welcome to Kinda.
Welcome to Kinda.
Welcome to Kinda.